Hey, what's up, guys? I hope everybody doing okay, and I hope you guys are hanging on with that coronavirus. So today, guys, I want to share something with you, like something that I have been thinking about, and I have also done some researches about it. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Because right now, like all the governments, they are asking people to wear masks when you go out, but they're not really giving us some explanation, like things that I think that was supposed to be provided as information to us. Because if you wear a mask and you go out and you start running with the mask on, or you start walking really fast with the mask on, so what's gonna happen is that you are going to make your lungs work more than what they were supposed to. Because of the mask, you will not be breathing well, and if you are running, so your lungs will have to work more than what they used to. And if you spend 3 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours like that, like running with the mask on, so what's gonna happen at the end, you are just going to damage your lungs. So if you guys are out and you have the mask on and you have to run, so what would be better for you to do is to put it down. Like if you have the mask like this and you have to run, you just put it down a little bit so you can run. So that way you will be breathing well, you will be getting enough air into your lungs. Because if you don't do that and you are breathing with the mask on, you're not getting enough air into your lungs. And at the end of the day, when you get home, most likely you will be having a huge chest pain, which gonna come directly from your lungs. And obviously you will have to go to the hospital. And when you get there, people are just gonna say that you have coronavirus. But that's not the case. It's just because you had the mask on for the whole time and you were running, and now your lungs are just paying the consequences. So guys, this is really important because I have done, like I said, researches based on that. So I recommend you guys to do the same. Do your own researches so you can verify the information that I just provided. And then you're gonna realize that what I was saying was right. So I wanted to share that with you guys, and I hope you guys are gonna take what's positive from that. And whatever you realize that it's like negative, you can just throw it away, that's fine. And then peace out.